You only want to do quick workouts. You're too busy for fitness. That's the kind of intensity you deserve and you get. Oh. Welcome everyone back to the third 15-minute afterburner. Today it gets complex. It's actually the exact first complex from my workout 29 out of my 50 workout series. So today's either a teaser for what you can expect in those huge, bigger workouts, all the fitness education you need, or you've done that and you get some PTSD from remembering what it was like. Today, I told you it's like the Smash and Thrash series. You take your puzzle pieces and stack them together for the time you have to work out. So we skip the warm-up. I trust you do that on your own, and we get straight into these workouts today, the complex. So I'll switch the camera and I'll demo the moves. I'll have the list on the side and the videos on the side. All you need for this after you've warmed up is 2 dumbbells and a mat to put your elbow on. So I'll drop the camera a little lower. I'll get this clock set up. Get your last sip of water now because there's no breaks. And sweat towel nearby if you needed to cry into. So see you back in a second. We'll get this going. Okay, camera's dropped down. Clock's ready to go. Let's review what the heck's going on here. Complex is just a big list of any movements you want to make, all encapsulated into what you would call one rep, and you got to usually go through them stacking, adding reps. I'm going to throw the video of what I'm doing on screen, so I'll just talk a little slower through it. Dumbbells come up. We start 1 squat, 1 lunge left, 1 lunge right, and then a 5-second squat, hold down, deep down low, bracing everything. We go straight into 1 bent over row, sprinter row one side, sprinter row the other leg, and then down to the floor, renegade row left, renegade row right. Boom, dumbbells get kicked to the side. Then we go into a mountain clock, so not mountain climber. We sweep the legs round and round, those are nasty. 1 frog hop, 1 plank toe touch each side, and then on your mat, drop the elbow, leg lift, and leg lift left, right. Then we go back to the top. And that first squat sequence, we just do 2 times in a row. So again, squat, lunge, 5-second hold, squat, lunge, 5-second hold. Good. On the rowing, we do 2 of each in a row. So 2 bent over row, 2 row one leg, 2 row the other, and then renegade row, left, right, left, right. You get the point. I'll verbalize as we go through it. Enough talking. Get your 2 dumbbells ready. I'm going with 30 pounders today. And we start in 10 seconds. 15 minutes, no stops unless you're on the floor shaking the muscle burn out. Here we go. Follow with me if you can. Dumbbells up. 1 squat. 1 deep squat. Good. Lunge. Lunge and then up. I can reference my clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out of that 5-second hold. Bent over row. Boom. Low sprinter row. Boom. Next side. Low sprinter row. Boom. Down to floor. 1, 1. That's the end of the dumbbells. Okay. Oh, don't want to block the camera. Clock jump. Boom. Boom. Frog. Back. Toe touch. Toe touch, crawl forward slightly to the mat, 1 lift, switch, and 1 lift. That's pretty hectic. Everything slows down and stretches out as we go. Obviously, if you're doing heavier weight than me, it might be slower. If you're doing lighter aerobic dumbbells, you'll be flying through this no problem. And I'm gonna get out of breath just talking, okay? So now that first squat sequence, 2 times in a row straight. Back it up here. Deep squat. Lunge. Lunge. 5-second hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Another squat. Boy, that's brutal. Lunge. Lunge. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Up. Okay, now we'll go 2 row in a row. 1, 2, that's easy. Sprinter row. 1, 2, 1, 2. Renegade off the floor. 1, 1, 2, 2. Dumbbells aside. Might get bouncy here. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, back. 1, 1, 2, 2. On the mat. 1, 2. Keep her going. 1, 2. Don't need to sweat till now. Control the breathing. Let's go into 3s. Ooh. Dumbbells up. 1 squat. Lunge. Lunge. 5-second hold. Knees track out over the toes. 1. Second squat. Yeah. Reverse lunge. Next 5-second hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Squat again. Yeah. Lunge. 5-second hold. Facing clock. 3, 2, 1. Don't put the weight down. 3 bent over row. 1, 2, 3. Sprinter row off the floor. 1, 2, 3. Switch leg. 1, 2, 3. Shoulder blades pull that move. Renegade row. 1, 2. Stabilize the core. Oh, done with those. Okay, clocks. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. Full top plank. 2. Stack over the wrist. 2, 3. 3. Side leg lift. 1, 2, 3. 10.5 minutes to go. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This thing's getting a little annoying. Tighten it up. Can we do the 4s? I'll set up diagonal. 10 minutes to go. Jumping right back in quick as you can. Give you a nice side profile. 1, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1. Up. Second squat. Yeah. Lunge. 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 5-second hold. Ooh, third squat. Yeah. Man. 1, 2. Third hold. 4, 5. Fourth squat. Yeah. Reverse lunge. Reverse lunge. Last 5-second hold. 1. Don't put them down. Hold on to them. 4 bent over row. 2, 3, 4, 5. Low sprinter row. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Renegade row from the floor. Each round gets way longer now. 8:20, almost at that halfway mark. Mountain clock. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 1. Why is that mat moving? 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 2, stay on it. 4, 4. Side leg lifts, heart's flying now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch side. You can always put that hand down to help, or knee down if you need to. 4. Oh, ooh, past the halfway, sound the alarm. Gonna gather myself before I commit to the 5s. 2 nights ago, Bruce jumped on a skunk in our garden, and there's residual skunk smell everywhere. I feel like it's burned into my skin. Oh. Okay, 650. Let's get these up. Start the 5s. Okay, less talking. Ooh. Second squat. Yeah. Ooh, third squat. Ooh. Lunge. Lunge. Ooh, that second squat's tough off the pause. Ooh. 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 Lunge is getting hard. 540 to go. Don't put the dumbbells down. Get that whole row section done. 1, 2. Burn that leg. Oh. Oh. Renegade row if you need it easier. Narrow dumbbells, wide feet. I got drops. I don't know if that's drool or sweat. Oh, 440 to go. Let's get these clocks going. 1, 2, 2, all the weight in your hands. Oh, frog hop. Ah, shoulders burning. Plank toe touch, reaches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Oh. Okay, side leg lifts for 5s. How are we doing, everyone? Hanging in there, mic's still on. 3.5 to go. We're not gonna finish another round. But it'll be just enough to crush the legs one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, getting heavy. Oh, 3 minutes to go. I'm gonna get into the 6s of the leg series. Oh, talking kills me. Whew. Get that nasal breathing recovery. Remember, always take your mini break Don't start a full round until you're recovered so you can try to get through that round. If you jump into this and choke yourself, you'll take too many breaks. Let's see if I get the 6s done with 2:40 to go. All right, here we go. 1, 4, 3. Knee touches ground on the lunge. That's 3. Don't count quick, gotta count slow. Never rush tempo. Ah, 1:30 to go. Kick the afterburners. There it is. Fifth. Yeah. Boy, those are brutal. 5th hold. 6. Oh, not fun. 6th hold, minute to go. Oh, right into the rows. 1, 2 to the finish. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 28 seconds. Oh, I can get some clocks. Oh, we're done. Oh, if you want to be a champ, finish off the round you're on. Score it. Remember where you just left off there. I was in the 6th round of 6 mountain clocks. And you can come back and try to beat this some other time in a month or so. Oh, you only want to do quick workouts. You're too busy for fitness. That's the kind of intensity you deserve and you get. Oh, straight time, no rest. Okay, 3rd one down. Gonna go to work on the 4th 15-minute workout. I'm gonna do 10 of those and I'll do 10 20-minute workouts. So those are all coming up. Share this with a friend, do it with somebody. Get the fitness virus spreading. I'll see you guys back for the 4th.